This video guide will help you in getting rid of the browser notifications that are associated with the site zkvqsj.com. Definitely this is a random website and its name doesn't make any sense. However, the site may periodically attack your computer screen and disturb your attention essentially. The real purpose of this website is to force you into clicking on the Allow button, supposedly to help you watch some video. The reality is that there is no any video here. When people mistakenly agree with proposal and click on Allow button, they may be forwarded to some other questionable site. Also, as you can clearly see, this website may switch your browser into the full screen mode, and you may simply press the escape button on your keyboard to get out of the full screen. Nevertheless, if the Allow button was clicked by mistake, you will also start facing the great number of advertisements, as you can now clearly see to be displayed in the right bottom part of the screen. To get rid of these ads, you need to implement some browser fixes. Access the menu, go to Settings, then choose Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. In Permissions, select Notifications and pay careful attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. When you find this malicious site, zkvqsj.com, click on this button and remove this malicious site, as well as other similar sites that are causing such troubles on your computer screen. Be sure to remove all such dangerous websites, and after you do that, the problem should be fixed and these intrusive notifications should be gone. However, I also recommend you to examine your computer additionally with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the page combocleaner.com, download the application, install the software and start researching your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protect it against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware. And as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.